We are leaving in 20 minutes. Are you ready?
Almost. I just need to sit on it.
I found my tiger shirt for good luck on the trip.
You are already wearing a shirt, Peter. Passports, tickets, hotel bookings.
I have everything. I have the camera and the sunscreen. Very important.
Our gate is B22, but we are in Terminal A.
Are they different buildings?
Gate closes in 10 minutes. Run, David, run!
I am running! So many bags!
We made it! Dad ran so fast with all the bags.
Never booking. Terminal A. Again.
We are in Paris! Despite everything, we are here.
Is that the Eiffel Tower? That is the Eiffel Tower.
We booked 2 rooms for 4 people. I see 1 room for 2 people. Very small room. This is the room for all 4 of us.
It is like a ship cabin.
I love it.
My feet are off the bed. Very small bed.
This is going on my channel. All of it.
Hello? I think there is a mistake with our booking. I am very sorry. The hotel is full tonight.
Camping in Paris!
I love this holiday.
I paid for a hotel. I am on the floor.
Okay, the room was awful. But look at this.
1.
The Eiffel Tower in Paris.
We did it! 3 levels. 300 meters. I researched this.
Of course you did.
There is chocolate inside the bread. Why did nobody tell me?
Paris. They put chocolate inside everything here.
Platform 7, Rome train.
I checked 3 times. Platform 7.
I also checked. We agree. Good. Rome! I can see the Colosseum.
Is that the Colosseum? Yes, and our hotel is, GPS says this way. Turn left. We have passed this fountain 3 times now.
It is a very nice fountain, though.
In 500 meters, turn right. This is not Rome anymore. Where are we going? Continue on this road.
Are those sheep?
Follow the route. You have arrived at your destination. This is a farm. The GPS sent us here.
Sheep! There are sheep here!
You have arrived at your destination.
This is a farm, not a hotel.
Dad is arguing with the GPS.
Amazing.
This sheep is friendly. I named her Roma.
Peter, we need to go. Leave Roma. We are here, finally. The GPS took us to a farm.
A farm? In Italy? That is very interesting. 2,000 years old. Believe I am here.
80 arches. I counted. 80 exactly. Peter, there is a very large bird looking at your hat. Birds look at me. I have an interesting face. That bird took my beanie. I got the whole thing on camera. The beanie. He took the beanie. My beanie is in Rome now.
A bird stole your hat.
In Rome. I have never seen anything like that in my life.
My beanie is in Rome now. Amazing. You are the only person who says that.
Gelato fixes everything, even bird theft.
The beanie would have liked gelato too.
Barcelona! 3 days of sunshine and beach.
Perfect! The sky is very blue. Very good.
Weather says sunny. Beach day, finally. No disasters.
No disasters, just beach.
Sun, relaxation.
The weather app said sunny.
It is not sunny. At least the camera is dry.
We are already wet. We should just swim.
Peter, we are not. Actually, he is right.
We look terrible. Best video I ever made. Yeah!
Do you know what? That was wonderful. I know how to drive. This will be completely fine.
David, they drive on the right side here. Remember. Wrong side of the road!
I know, I am fixing it.
6 disasters. 6! On one holiday, the wrong side of the road, in Barcelona.
At home, we drive on the left. I forgot. Simple mistake.
Simple. David drove on the wrong side in Spain.
18 towers, 170 meters. I researched.
It is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen.
I edited all 6 disasters together. Watch.
I look terrible.
The bird took it so cleanly. The bird took it so cleanly.
He was very fast. He trained for that. The beanie is in Rome. Is in Rome. But I found a new hat.
You know what? That suits you. 6 disasters, 3 countries, 1 very strange holiday.
The best holiday we ever had.
6 disasters, 3 countries, 1 very strange holiday.
The best holiday we ever had.
Terminal. Tiny room. Farm. Beanie. Rain swim. Wrong side. 6 disasters! That is a record!
Every disaster gave us a story, a real story. No disaster, no story. I think I understand now.
Dad, which disaster was your favorite?
The farm, with the sheep. We found a farm in Rome.
Peter, your favorite? The bird, obviously. The beanie is in Rome forever now.
I was going to ask,
Anna.
your favorite disaster? Dad on the wrong side of the road? I will never delete that video. Everyone smile. Real smiles. Not perfect smiles.
This was the best holiday of my life. I am drawing all 6 disasters. For memory. Six disasters. All drawn. The best holiday notebook ever.
There is Barcelona sand in my suitcase.
From the rain swim. Keep it. It is a souvenir. The disaster video. People love it.
You are famous. Wrong side in Barcelona.
I look very scared. I was very scared.
3 million people have seen this now, Dad. Comment below. What is your funniest holiday disaster? Subscribe for more slow English family adventures.